Hello guys, I'm Claude from Apex Electronics, and I would like to introduce you to this series of troubleshooting tutorials for the Apex Type A tDCS system. These videos will give you some insight on the inner workings of your Type A and will help clear up some of the most common misunderstandings people have about tDCS and about the Type A, as well as give you some tips and tricks on how to always keep your Type A working properly and for many years to come. Before you watch this series of troubleshooting tutorials, I strongly recommend that you watch the video on how to set up and test your device, because basically, if you follow the steps on that tutorial and perform the red cable test successfully, you're good to go for your first tDCS session, and you don't necessarily need to watch these. Take a look at the list of subjects we'll be covering on these troubleshooting tutorials, and if you find yourself in a situation where that is seemingly what's happening to you, then check out the corresponding video. As always, our support phone line and email are standing by in case you have any questions or need further assistance. Even if you are outside the United States, no matter where you are, email us your phone number and we'll call you back to provide you with a direct one-on-one support session. We'll pay for the call. Just let us know you need help. So without further delay, let's get started.